Having a cookie scanner is so last season. If you want to be a cool kid, you should be using a tracker manager. And where can you find this? In Consentmo, of course. Let me show you how this looks and feels and works. So we used to have a cookie scanner with a separated tab for just the cookie information and all of the lists, but now we have them combined under one tab, which is called Tracker Manager. And what we have here, I'm gonna actually present with a whole new scan. Let's start a scan. And it's actually basically an improvement on what we already had, and it was working quite well. But what it currently does is it goes not just through your home page, but also through selected pages of your store. Let's say a collection page, a product page, checkout. And then it shows you this. All of the trackers, cookies, scripts, storages, pixels, and others being found from a tracker manager. And from what I can see here, we have two trackers that need to be auto-categorized, but let's review it first manually, and then we can see the magic with the auto-categorization. So once you click on the manual review, you actually see the whole total number of the trackers, but what you're gonna see underneath, which used to be in a separate tab, is the Manage Trackers section, where everything that is cookies, pixels, and storages is divided by the provider. So under each provider, you can see all of the list of cookies. Let's say I can show you the Shopify ones with cookies, scripts, storages, everything under Shopify. Then you have Google Tag Manager, then you have Google Analytics, then you have Consentmo ones, and so on and so forth. So it's well categorized on the admin like this, but also reflected on the storefront under the preferences modal. Let me show you how it looks there. So when you go there, you trigger the banner, you trigger the preferences, this is what you're gonna see. Google Analytics the same way, categorized by provider, and then when you open the drop down, you'll see the details. Exactly reflected as what you have here inside. And of course we have two trackers that are not categorized. Let's try our magic button which says auto categorize. Let's hope it does its magic. Let me do this while it works. It helps. Come on, I look stupid at this point. Okay, and there we have it. Everything is categorized because that's what we do at Consentmo. We facilitate your life. So yeah, Tracker Manager is the new kit on the block, is the new thing to use. No longer cookie scanners. Cookie scanners are so last season. You need to have the Tracker Manager, and it's now live and available for everyone in Consentmo. It's faster, it scans more pages than before, and it scans them quicker and faster and more efficient than before. And it gives everything categorized by provider that also is reflected in the admin as well as in the storefront. So yeah, more updates are coming in this particular area, so stay tuned for that. And bye for now.